We're here today in front of our Madawaska model. Look at this incredible work of art. You know, it's our second house that we built right on the Madawaska River. Beautiful, great river stemming, cutting through the Canadian wilderness from the Algonquin Park. Large home. This is ultimately a home that's designed for a very large family or a family that does a lot of entertaining. There's 3,500 square feet, 2,000 square feet on the main floor, master on the main floor as well. 6 bedroom opportunities on the second floor. You know, it really is a great home. Let's go inside and check it out. So before we go inside, let's look at the porch. Obviously, this isn't finished yet, but a great visual to see how a porch is built with respect to a passive home. Ultimately, any porch, any garage are treated as attachments to the home, so entirely outside the airtight envelope. So porches are done as an attachment. It's why we have this post here with a beam above. So ultimately a separate roof structure can be separately attached from the airtight envelope. Looking at also the door. And so passive doors don't have to be solid glass. There's a lot of different styles available. This family chose a solid wood type. Really also shows the exterior insulation. So the thicknesses for any passive door window are super thick, about a 3-inch thick frame, which allows us to put on what we call an over insulation. So insulation wrapping over the frame, really makes this door as bulletproof from a thermal protection as the rest of the home. Time to go inside. Inside the home now, no fancy finishes to show off, but really great to see passive home pre-finished stage so that all the insulation, all the vapor protection is visible. See how it's done? So we can take a little peek of the floor. See this concrete floor, nice beautiful finish. It was grinded down with a concrete grinder to expose the stones, expose the aggregate. Sealer put down over top. There's going to be 4 kids in this home, family of 6. Bulletproof floor, concrete floor, really is going to be beautiful. So, very cost effective, inexpensive insulation. Cellulose is 100% recycled material, 100% renewable based material. So your ultimate sustainable building material. Ultimately as high as a renewable recycled content as you can get in a material. This cellulose in particular has a bluish tinge to it. It's a borate infused product. Borate is ultimately put into the insulation, make it completely fireproof, mold-proof, bug-proof. It really is the best of all worlds. Insulation, also inexpensive, cost-effective, healthy, doesn't compromise indoor air quality, and most importantly is the thermal blanket for this home. Insulate to R75. This house will be able to heat it with a candle. Just like any vapor barrier, you don't want any leaks in your vapor system. So ultimately the reason why the 2x4s are on the ceiling is to provide a space for lighting. So all the aluminum rings on the ceiling, LED lights. LED lights need an 1.5-inch space to be installed. So the ceiling gets strapped with 2x4s, makes it completely separated, the drywall separated. All the fasteners that go into the drywall will not be able to penetrate the vapor system. And the 2x4 also provides that 1.5-inch cavity that you need for ceiling lighting in this space, kitchen, dining, living space, lots of lights. Really is going to be a bright, beautiful, vapor protected space at the end of the day. So standing here in this living space on the second floor system, this second floor, ultimately the bedroom wing, the kid zone, call it, of this house, 1,500 square feet. You might think not maximizing the square footage of this space, but there's actually 6 bedroom opportunities up here. There's a separate shower room, separate toilet room. Effectively there is going to be 4 bedrooms up here, 2 office spaces up here. But ultimately could be 6 bedrooms for an extremely large family, absolutely maximizing every amount of space, 1,500 square feet, you know, you can really do a lot with it. Standing inside one of the bedrooms, this is ultimately the northwest corner. Different window options. Most bedrooms, you know, only have a single window. Lots of natural light, even though we're on the north side of the home. You know, another window option, small little transom window up high on the wall. Doesn't affect any bedroom bed placement, furniture placement, drawer placement, making for a completely usable bedroom option, additional natural light. We just looked at the northwest, now we're looking at the northeast. So no real direct connection to the sun, but lots of natural daylight. It's the morning. Transom window mimicking the northwest window. It's gonna be the washroom. Ultimately four children gonna be on this floor. So need a large washroom, right? There'll ultimately be a 7-foot vanity, 2 sinks in that vanity, large bathtub shower happening on the far side of this washroom. Lots of space, you know, 3 kids could be in here, no problem. So larger door opening into this room. Ultimately there will be a double door here, glass doors walking into an office. So second office space in this house. Ultimately the 2 rooms that are closest to the stair system, office spaces. 2 bedrooms on the south side, 2 bedrooms on the north side. But again, could be a secondary bedroom as well. Ultimately, any room can be doubled as an office or a bedroom space, providing opportunity for 6 children or 4 children with an office space for husband and wife working from home. The southwest bedroom, so lots of sun coming in from the south side. In this house, every bedroom has 2 windows, so it mimics the theme of the entire home. But will be sunny most of the day. Southeast bedroom, a little bit smaller. Still plenty of space, almost 150 square feet in here. Large closet, you know, really every room in this home is comfortable. And kids can't wait to move in. Beautiful master bedroom space, you know, lots going on in here. Coffered ceiling, 200 square foot, 250 square foot actual bedroom space. You know, great furniture options in here. Leads into a sit-down study area. So about an 8 by 10 space here, you know, really could be a guest sleeping area, but it's used as a study. Could be a library, could be a sitting area, could be a separate office space as well. Bring it into any master bedroom and really creates an incredible space. It's gonna be an incredible ensuite washroom. I can't wait to come back in here when it's all finished. But comfortable toilet room. Very large walk-in shower, huge space, almost a 42 by 42 shower going in there, so huge space. Double sinks on this wall. There'll be a sink here, right in front of this window. Lots of tile happening. Finished concrete floor. Oh, dream ensuite washroom, really. Can't wait to show it off finished. $750 square foot garage, you know, not super huge, but a lot happening in here. 2 full-size car doors, a secondary utility door for snowblower, lawnmower. Who knows, maybe there'll be an ATV or a couple dirt bikes in here. There's a heated floor happening in here. It's gonna be a very comfortable space in the wintertime. Potentially workshop space as well. Really, you know, 750 square feet, 3 garage doors, providing every opportunity you need in a garage space. You know, this really has it all.